Ode to Fossil Fuel. Without you, no paper and reams, no books with spines to break with use, no shirt whose blue I love against my husband's skin, eyes, no button from another country, no stitches programmed down his side, no machine measuring my mother's heart while they cut the cancer out, no tomatoes in winter, no cheap wine, no wandering another country's streets for a few days, no drug mules, char in a child's lungs, no miles of highway, no fast enough to break a tumbleweed, no Christmas trees in deserts, no rolling blackouts, no moving away from but still keeping family, no clean and running water, no toothbrushes, no antibiotics, no grandmother's face on the phone teasing my daughter, no ballet shoes, no hothouse flowers at our wedding, no train on my dress, no desire for a train on my dress. You have made us wealthy in goods and time. Without you, no cookbooks, no inflatable pool, no water guns, no smashing the bass at the end of a concert, no MTV, no Hollywood, no Hadron Collider. You have migrated the bees on the backs of trucks. You have made cement swimming pools, a million rubber ducks, and most of the toys my daughter loves. Without you, no life jackets, no mammograms, no gas masks, no napalm, no grandmother's farm in summer, no machines to replace bodies in the fields, no wind turbines on semis across the highways. We could have known who made every object in our house. No neatly cremated bodies behind the barbed wire, the buildings, no mercury rising through the city from their burned teeth. Without you, fewer mosquitoes, no almost instantaneous history of the world in light, no expansion to the coast. Without you, no mass-market guns, no 3D printers, no ultrasound of the baby's body, no landscape as a staging area for designer clothes and purses, no taking someone's acres to tunnel or poison, no carnival rides, no ice in drinks, no selling the oil and mineral rights to leave something to the next generation. Without you, no wonder, no photos of the war, the wedding, no piñata favors, no artificial heart, no snooze button. Without you, no body doused in flames for protest, no flying back to say goodbye to my grandparents, no flying for the funerals, no casinos, no poems scattered in dead hard drives, no soldiers on the ships and submarines sent to the sea to war, no flag in the ice, no recording under the ocean of song, no birth control pill in its oyster pink box, no women on the factory floor, no flammable nightgowns, flammable water, oil slick yellow bright wellies, train explosion, paintings that smell like horses, fish from the ocean's middle, no quick shower before work, no Madame Curie's laboratory, no man
in
on
the middle of
moon,
life,
astronauts exploding in
a
dark
wood.
No World Trade
Was
Center,
it church
no
bells or
World Trade
bullets
Center
that
falling,
rang out behind
no
me?
fires in the oil
Inside,
fields,
we
no
ticked
oil
my
spill
daughter's
in the
height
water,
up the edge of the door.
no time down
The
to
church
the second,
bells rang
no
bullets
glut of
out behind
information,
me.
no newspaper on my
Outside,
phone,
the floods
no
ticked
cold
mud
waiting
up the
rooms,
side
no
of the door.
pieces showing what it
A
all
dark
adds
wood
up to.
grew
Here
inside
we
me.
are, an increased
In the middle of
standard
life,
living,
I found
fewer
myself
deaths
in a
the
darkened
factories,
country.
the mines, the
We lined our
fields,
border
and
in
now
tear gas,
bear
guns,
down
and
the
cages.
sixth
The data
extinction
showed us
frowning.
how to evacuate democracy. The church rang out the hour of lead. The government called fleeing an invasion, as if whiteness were a ship that was sinking. Did the word aberration inoculate us from the pattern? I told my husband it was a dream. He said it was the news. Our country's wealth was a ship sinking bodies. In the middle of lies, I foundered in a dark wood. It was drought, not war, that drove out the people. I could feel the old sublime strip the world bare inside me. The government refused to give the crisis its name. Like Rumpelstiltskin, the name held all its power. Fear unfurled like a spray of bullets. We'd given up using goat's blood to change our storms, our fate. Wasn't it enough to change all our light bulbs? The floods ticked down houses, one by one. The church rang out the hour of lead. Each year set more precedents for the unprecedented. My daughter was born in our sinking ship without asking. In the middle of life, I found myself in a dark wood. We are the accumulated heat of all people ever. I crawl my way back to that backwards thought. Our smallest choices make the weather.